Day 2.
Good morning. It's the second day. Oh, so what does that mean? I think it means that it's day 2. Smashing day 2. Would you please stop saying smash? Yeah, it gets annoying. Smash Mario said smash in way too many times in way too many sentences. So, I think it's time to end it by creating an anti-Smash Mario alliance. Or more realistically, an anti-Smash Mario group. This'll be like the anti-Clinton campaigns or something. Hey, can I see everybody except for you, Smash Mario? Smashing, fine. How about you go? Ugh. Look, guys, I don't like Smash Mario. He says smash in way too many sentences, but it looks pretty powerful. Yeah, well, I've decided to create an anti-Smash Mario group. Oh? What does this mean? It means if we lose, we take out Smash Mario instantly. I guess that would be okay. Does anybody want to sign up with me? Sure. Whatever. Okay. It's settled. Our alliance has been formed. Well, if it is called alliance, we'll copy Sky Beagle. Okay, anti-Smash Mario group. Does that help? Yeah. Okay, Smash Mario, you can come back now. Oh, finally. I smashing don't get why my brother Smash Luigi decided to speak with everybody but me. If anything he can say it for smashing me, because I am smashing awesome. Ow. I mean, Smash Luigi's anti-Smash Mario group seems to be legit, so I decided to sign up with him, as long as I get my fair share, of course. Ow. Worst morning of my life. Why did you sleep on my back? You're made of plush. I have spikes. Yeah, I think we get it. It's morning. I already know that. So did all of us. The fates are aligning to get out Francisca because she replaced me in Star Allies, and I'm not happy about that. But in order to make sure about that, I have to get people on my side. I knew that there was only one thing left to do. Hey, can I speak with everybody but you, Francisca? I'm out. It better be quick. Why did you need us for? Yeah. Look, I don't like Francisca. She's kinda... She replaced me in Star Allies. Yeah, like we give a care. No. I seriously don't trust her. Look, she could blindside us. She's the new hot babe in the Kirby games. She could take us out. Am I using data mine for a Kirby Star Allies update? Actually, yes. Be quiet, Sonic. Anyways, if you sign up with me, we can take out Francisca instantly. So who's in? I'm in. Great. Is anybody else in? Nope. Okay. Half the tribe against Francisca. Wonder how this is gonna stand. It definitely seemed legit when Susie tried to talk us into trying to take out Francisca and gaining an anti-Francisca group. How is that even gonna work? It's morning and oh snap, I just peed myself. That's funny. I love eggs accidentally all the time. Excuse me for a moment. Why are Boo and Flying Dry Bones asleep? I thought they just said ghosts don't sleep. You lied to me. You know what I say to that? You're dead to me. They're already dead. You're deader to me. Yeah. Oh man, I slept through the shift, didn't I? Did I? How long was I out? All night. Oh, come on! You know what? I'm taking advantage into my own thumbs. I can't believe I failed my job. Dude, it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna be fine. We're going to be just fine. Okay? Okay. How do you feel? I feel fine. What are you doing here? What's up, Yoshi? You're a dead dinosaur now. You know what? I have an idea. Let's create an alliance so that we can turn on the others because of reasons and plot progression. Seems legit. I don't know what I should do. Should we get the monkey over here? What do you want me for? Do you want to join my alliance? Osro. This is dumb. You know what? Darn you. I'm just gonna fly, clear my thoughts, and not speak of an alliance again. Why? Why is my life this bad?